Hey there, this is Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you a gluten-free stuffing recipe starting with a delicious gluten-free bread. If you, like many others, appreciate healthy food alternatives, this will complement your Paleo or Keto Thanksgiving recipes that everyone will love and enjoy. So stay tuned. Most Thanksgiving dinner meals include stuffing, so here I'll share this fabulous keto stuffing recipe to go along with your other keto Thanksgiving sides. It's delicious and supports a healthy gut diet plan too, so let's see how simple it is. Let's start with the bread. 1.5 cups blanched almond flour, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, then stir it all together. Now we're going to add 6 eggs, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup olive oil, and 5 drops of thyme essential oil. So good for immunity. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and stir this all together. You can see this is a very thin batter, and that's great. So now let's pour it into a parchment lined loaf pan and bake for 45 minutes or until the top is lightly browned. Look what a nice loaf that is. Just pull it out of your pan and out of that parchment paper. Such a beautiful loaf. And you can see as we slice this up, it slices very, very nicely. The texture is just wonderful. So now we're going to slice it all up and then slice it lengthwise and create those 1/2-inch cubes that we want for our stuffing. So now let's go to the skillet and heat 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 cup chopped celery, 2 cloves garlic minced, then stir fry for a couple of minutes. Then we are going to add 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro, and then my secret sauce, 2 drops each of 4 essential oils, thyme, black pepper, coriander, and Spanish sage. All these are immune boosting and great for gut health. Now you're going to stir fry it again, and then we're going to add those bread cubes that we just prepared. Give it a stir it all together. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of chicken broth and combine that, put it in a baking dish, and bake for about 20 minutes at 350. So yummy, hope you try it. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, let me know what your most important healthy food alternatives are. Download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe.